Good morning from Amed. It's a usual weather report from here. Today, no any clouds, absolutely no any. Only there, some of the clouds stuck. Today we don't have any diving, so I have to think about the plans, what to do. It's a little bit too late to go to the mountains, so that's why I will think maybe I have some unfinished stuff to do. The internet at home is terrible, so that's why I'm coming always to the dive center to upload a new episode. Another news from Amed is that there are more and more people going to the sea for fishing. They always been working in tourism, and now they decided that they will go fishing. And there was one guy who was working as a dive master all the time, and he went out fishing and get lost, and that's what actually happening. They have a willing to survive, but they don't have the skills to do it. And that's the thing. I don't even know what is the solution for it. It's probably no solution, because everyone needs to survive somehow. We also have to survive somehow, and we are just lucky that people spread the word about us, and that's why we get something. Otherwise it's really tough times, and I clearly understand when the borders will be open, there will not be like a wave of tourism coming into the Bali, because simply people don't have the money. Because also back home they don't have they lost jobs, they lost incomes, and it is challenging times. But anyways, same time it's also interesting times when we evolving a lot in different ways. We were talking about how unique place we living with the guys yesterday who did diving with us, and we actually, every one of us agreed that Bali is a place where in one place you can see so many different things. Hello guys. So yeah, so that's
balik lagi guys sama gua guys. Ada bang anjing.
Cool, right? That's the difference between people in for example back home. When you start filming someone, then they just becomes angry and start yelling at you, and that allowed you to film me. Well, here people are so happy just to be on my vlogs. Kind of, maybe they know that I'm vlogging, maybe no, but it doesn't really matter for them at all. So yeah, we were talking yesterday about the fact that Bali is one really unique place where so many things are concentrated in one place. You wanna play a golf in amazing place in the mountains, we have the place in Bedugul. You wanna eat strawberries all year round, we have, no problem at all. You wanna do surfing, no problem. You wanna do diving, no problem. We have mountains, we have ocean, we have lakes, we have so different. We have waterfalls, we have rice pads. Everything is just here. Hello, hello. So yeah, and that's why I love Bali, and that's why we choose this place as our home. Swim, 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 swim. Another interesting fact is that we are kind of locked or separated from all the world and tourists more than a year, but they are and it's supposed to be that no one really has money, but there are so many constructions going on here in Bali, all around the Bali. They're building all the time, and I don't know why it's like that, but definitely we will be really ready to gather new tourists, new customers, because we've been building, because Bali been building new hotels, doing renovations and other stuff. It will not be like you come to Bali and then you go into your room and there's a mold growing on the walls and ceiling. No, definitely no. Everybody's doing renovations. I have no idea where they get all the money for that, but that's what's happening here. I actually have a plan to make an episode about hello. The people come for the sunset. Hey! Oh, you have 2 dogs.
Yeah, I'm walking a dog. I just feel us feel
For the sunset?
Yeah, just
Okay.
from here to there.
Yeah.
Again.
A couple of kilometers.
Yeah.
I'm at the Melasti beach right now, and that's what's happening every single evening here during the dry season. When it's a dry season, every single evening everyone is coming out because it becomes cooler. It's not that hot, and that's the people just find the time to be together, to play chess, for example, or just walking dogs, or just simply coming to the beach with the guitars, swimming. That's what's happening here in Amed, and that's why I love this place. Agong in fire! Alright, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye!